In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by column in Google Sheet. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here list of numbers from 1 to 10 in a repetitive manners from column A to column D. So what we're going to do is we're going to batch sort this column and arrange these numbers depending on the order that the options will provide. So to do this, the first thing that you would like to do is to simply select and highlight the column that you would like to include in the range. So let's say for this video, we'll be using column A up to column D. After highlighting and dragging, simply navigate to Data, and in Data, navigate to Sort Range. This will provide you options. Sort ranged by column A from A to C, which means list to greatest, and sort ranged by column A, Z to A, which means greatest to list. So let's say, for example, we will be sorting this column from list to greatest. So as you can see in here, the orders of the number changed. All number ones are included or grouped together, and all numbers are next to each other, similarities. Let's try doing the other options in here. Click Z to A. So as you can see, the orders of the numbers are now arranged from greatest to least. And that's about it. That's how to sort by column in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.